In this video we're going to look at how much energy we are using for a particular appliance and how this energy translates to an electricity cost. So this is continuing on with our questions on household bills. So ultimately we have a heater which is rated as a 1.5 kilowatt heater. 1.5 kilowatts, well 1.5 kilowatt heater rating means that it takes 1.5 kilowatts for each second of operation in order to operate, in order to function. So what we need to do, but energy is usually charged in what is called kilowatt hours. In order to work out kilowatt hours, we simply multiply the kilowatt or the energy rating by the amount of time used, and we get our kilowatt hours. So she is charged a rate of 14.81 cents per kilowatt hour. So it's asking us to convert the rating of the appliance and the amount of time it was used into kilowatt hours, and then from there determine the total amount that would cost. So first let's work out how many kilowatt hours we used by the heater. Well, it was 1.5 kilowatts times 8 hours, which is equal to, or 1.5 times 8 is going to be equal to 12 kilowatt hours. Alright, now part B, what is the cost of using the heater? To answer to the nearest cent, well, we need to multiply our energy usage by the cost per kilowatt hour. So that's going to be 12 kilowatt hours multiplied by the rate of 14.81 cents per kilowatt hour. And as you can see, the units will cancel and we'll be just left with cents. And this works out to be 12 times 14.81, which is equal to 177.72. 177.72, but that's in cents and we want dollars and cents. Now you could move the decimal place, but we are going to take 177.72 and we're going to divide it by 100 because there are 100 cents in each dollar, and that will give us how many dollars. So if we do divided by 100, divided by 100, what we get is 1.7772. 1.7772 dollars. But we want to round it to the nearest cent, which is here because we don't actually use any denominations of currency less than a cent. So if we round this to two decimal places, well, the next place is a 7, so we round up and it becomes $1.78. Okay, so that's how you would solve this question here. It's important to realize basically that to get kilowatt hours, all you do is multiply the rating in kilowatts by the amount of time you use the device in hours. Then from there you can convert straight across to cents and finally to dollars. I hope this was helpful and I will see you in the next video.